Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, Apple has just released iOS 14.3. In the previous version, iOS 14.2, there was a major issue of battery draining. Hopefully in this iOS 14.3, that issue will be resolved. Viewers, there are some new features in iOS 14.3 as well. One of the new features is that now you can edit your photo and save your photo in the RAW format. Previously, it was just like a standard JPG format. But now you can save your photos in RAW format. RAW format gives you more control over the photo editing and how it looks like. And this raw format will be available for the iPhone 12 Pro owners and iPhone 12 Pro Max owners. Uh, you can go to your settings, then camera, and in the camera setting you will see a format. From there you can change the format when you're taking a picture. Viewers, along with it, Apple is releasing the subscription of workout fitness subscription. What could be included in the subscription? If after subscribing this, what you will get a guided workout. You can track your progress of working out, and if you are really concerned about your health, you can subscribe. There are different plans, like $30 per month, $10 per month, and our F3 plan have different the different benefits. So you can subscribe whatever suits you and your routine. Viewers, this was the iOS 14.3. Do let me know, are you going to install right away 14.3 or not? If yes, so do let me know after installing 14.2 is 14.3. Are you facing any issue, or it's much better than 14.2? So share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.